Hey guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create these gorgeous, soft, full, feathery brows using the brand new brow styler from Benefit Cosmetics and the Precisely pencil. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. I think this brow is one of my favorites yet. The colour of it is quite soft, but I just love how feathery and full and natural it is. I just totally fell in love with this one. So to create this fluffy brow, I actually used this new brow product from Benefit called a brow styler, and this is actually so cool. So you just twist it and inside you have like a little wand and it has a powder on it, and then you close it and you take the top of this end and you have like a little angled pencils. And then to create the feathery hairs, I went in with my trusty Precisely pencil. This has become one of my go-to products. It's actually been so handy throughout this whole experience. This has never let me down. It's in shade 4.5 and this is as close to, I suppose, my hair color as possible, and I use this then to create those natural hair-like strokes. Okay, so I'm going to be using the powder to line out the brow. Oh, it's a bit too powdery there. Okay, so we're going to line out that brow. We're keeping it nice and full, so we're going to keep that line nice and straight. Again, don't worry about this too much because we will clean it up in a minute. And then we're just going to measure the top. I'm going to bring this right across here very gently. And then I'm going to bring down the tail of the brow. And then I'm very lightly just going to fill in the brow. Don't have to re-dip, but just use whatever is left on the wand. And if you're unsure how to map out your brow, you can check that out in my past videos. I just don't want to go through it again and bore the people that have watched it, so I'm just going to leave that just linked above here. I'm just going to clean up around the edge of the brow now, and I'm just going to focus mostly underneath because I will be feathering it out. So I'm just going to take this Boing concealer in shade number 2. I'm just going to pop a little bit of this on my hand, and taking this tiny little brush here, I'm just going to start cleaning around the edges. I'm going to start at the front of the brow. Just going to start to flick this up. And for this we're actually going to go up a little bit higher than the brow to give the illusion of the hairs being brushed upwards. Just going to keep that. Just keep brushing it up. And we're going to keep that going throughout the whole brow. So you're just almost like you combed all your hairs upwards. Over the brow, we're just going to bring that up. And again, even for the tail of the brow, you can flick it out. Don't be afraid of it. And create that feather feel. And then we just go back and just kind of clean up underneath a little bit more. Don't want to touch the top because it will take away from that natural feel. And that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Donations are now closed and I'm very excited to announce that we raised over €2,400 for Browtober. It was just an incredible month, and thank you all so much for your support. I do have a good few brow tutorials left to go up for the month, so do stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!